So far it's been great. Within the first week, everybody's calling you by your name. You get to talk to the general manager, the owner comes walking around. It's just a great homey experience so far. Training's been great. You come in, they kind of judge your skill set, and then they put you in the machine that they think that you're capable of running. They explain to you why you're doing this and why you're doing that. So it's been really great so far. I chose Carlson Tool and Manufacturing just because of all the different work that they have in-house. They do gun drilling and they do honing, and got lathes, mills, they do mold injection. They do a whole bunch of stuff in different fields. And I just really thought this business would be in play for a long time, and I can move around and do different stuff all the time. You're never going to get bored here.